Nestled within a serene private neighborhood of Adrogué, Buenos Aires, Y House, designed by Jorgelina Tortorici and Asociados, stands as an architectural marvel. Its defining feature is a grand central void, a double-height expanse that serves as the heart of the home. This void not only organizes the house's layout, but also creates a unique spatial identity. It is a synthesis of form and function, a centerpiece around which all spaces converge, embodying the studio's philosophy of spatial harmony. The ground floor, elevated just over a meter above the natural grade, is where daily life unfolds for the adult couple who call Y House home. This level accommodates an integrated kitchen and dining area with views of the lush outdoor patio, an ensuite bedroom with tranquil green vistas, and a private study. Every element is carefully positioned to provide convenience and comfort, ensuring that the essential living spaces are both functional and connected to nature. The upper floor is a space of retreat for visiting guests. It features 2 ensuite bedrooms connected by a shared studio and an intimate living area that overlooks the central void. The central space dissolves visual barriers, creating dynamic views that cross between levels. Adding to the architectural drama, a large skylight illuminates the staircase, which elegantly hangs from the exposed concrete slab with steel tensors, showcasing a delicate balance between raw materials and structural innovation. The structural system of Y House employs reinforced concrete, complemented by slender metal columns. The exposed concrete ceilings, with their inverted beams, serve both structural and functional roles, concealing air and drainage systems within their thickness. This meticulous integration of systems and materials ensures both practicality and aesthetic coherence. Materiality plays a pivotal role in the house's character, adhering to a zero-maintenance concept. Reinforced concrete, travertine, black aluminum, and decked-in cladding define the home's exterior, offering durability and timeless elegance. Internally, the design balances the rugged texture of concrete with the refinement of finer finishes, creating a tactile interplay that is both modern and inviting. Neutral tones and grayscale hues dominate the palette, reinforcing the studio's signature aesthetic. The interplay between rustic and refined materials continues in the interior design. The rawness of exposed concrete contrasts with polished surfaces, while the neutral palette allows textures to take center stage. Every element, from the understated furniture to the carefully chosen finishes, complements the architecture, emphasizing functionality without compromising on beauty. This central void is framed on the upper level by an L-shaped floor of exposed concrete, a material choice that exudes strength and permanence. The space extends outward into a double-height patio, creating an uninterrupted flow between the indoors and outdoors. This interplay fosters a seamless connection to nature, allowing light and air to infiltrate the home organically. Such attention to natural elements highlights the studio's commitment to cross-ventilation, natural lighting, and spatial integration. Ultimately, Why House is a testament to Jorgelina Tortorici and Asociados' design ethos, where nature, light, and materiality converge to create a home that is as functional as it is inspiring. The house celebrates simplicity and permanence while crafting spaces that adapt to the rhythm of life, offering its inhabitants an ever-evolving dialogue between the built and natural environments. As we step back and take in the seamless blend of concrete, natural light, and lush greenery, Why House leaves us with a powerful impression. A home where bold design meets the tranquility of nature. Every detail, from the grand central void to the carefully curated materials, reflects a commitment to timeless architecture and harmonious living. It's more than just a house. It's a statement of balance, functionality, and beauty. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Why House, a space that redefines modern living in Adrogué. If you enjoyed this tour and want to explore more innovative designs, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Gubbock Design. We'll see you in the next video, where architecture and imagination come to life.